How cool. Take a look at this Barracuda. This is the car that competed against the Mustang and of course against the Camaro. Most people don't know the Barracuda was brought out slightly before the Mustang was, back as a 1964 and a half model. This is a way cool car. Rare do you see them yellow like this, the black stripe. 340. They were rated 275 horse, more like 325 horse. Great car. And then, you know, the car that Dodge built these back in 1960. This is a Dodge Dart Pioneer. Now they made this in a Seneca, a Pioneer, and a Phoenix. Phoenix was top of the line. But to see something like this is a real California car, and what you're seeing is a beautiful clean finish. This car has been totally restored. It is absolutely brand new. Come on up here and take a look at this interior. And this is all factory, all restored, and this is the way it looked, brand new. All green, cloth, vinyl trim. Look at that steering wheel. Look at the dashboard where the light shone through it, like a 55, 56, well, 54, 55 Ford, I believe they were. And what a beautiful car. 1960 Dodge Pioneer. It's a 318 V8 with dual exhaust and a torque flight transmission. Gorgeous. Oh,